Ayo? Ayo? She's being shy. I just woke up already.
Tessa, say hello.
Drooling.
It's just a fountain. Say hi.
Hello.
Say hi, Elliot.
Hello.
Talk to Elliot. He's talking to you. Tess, you got some new moves today. Here.
Yeah. Yeah. Hello. I can't sit yet. Hello. Hello.
Oh, excuse you.
Hello. Hello.
Maybe I'll be more talking and sitting up.
Oh,
There
oh,
she
oh, 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 oh. Your diaper is pretty.
Oh, yeah.
Hello.
There's some toys to fight over. Look at him go.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, he looks so tiny.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You have a toy?
I'm Maureen.
Oh, sorry. I guess she was sucking on that already.
that's okay. I have more. They better get used to it before they
Yeah.
like, what is it, daycare.
Uh-huh.
Now it's just Tess, it's okay. Here, this is yours.
Some germs are good for him.
It's fine. It's fine. Here, I'll give you one more. Here. Can you get it?
Ooh, that's a good one.
Can you get it? Yeah, baby? Share. Good boy. Good boy.
Yeah, while you were asleep, Tess has been playing with all your toys. Good. Have you been feeling all his toys?
It's like eating away.
Get over there.
You want that? You have one already, baby.
Scooch
You
over
got
there.
one already. You got one
No,
already.
go get it from her. Go get it from her. Do it. How you playing? Good job. Good job.
Yeah, yummy. Yeah, is that right? Hello. Hello.
Is that good? Cool, that should freeze yours. Just looking at each other, chewing each other's toys.
So funny.
It'd be think his looks good?
You guys can trade. Want to trade?
Look at his feet.
Yeah, he looks like he's ready to like
Yeah.
bounce or something and jump on him.
Oh, you're crazy.
I'm debating what I should do with his hair. Should I gel it up or put it down? Or what should we do? What should we do?
Ponytail.
We could be a
Pebbles.
girl.
I can't put how much longer it is.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, where are you going? Where are you going? You going somewhere?
Say,
Okay.
I don't know if Mommy can do yoga class. I'm going to be crawling any day now.
I know. Where are you going?
Go get Tess. Go get her.
That one's cold, baby. You want to get that? Get it, get it. Oh, now you want it. Good girl. Get it. Don't bump heads. Don't bump heads. Good girl. Good job.
Grr.
Good job.
You bring it over there?
Yeah. 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 Get it. Get it. Baby, get it.
You're good at moving.
Get it.
Yeah, I want to see your tricks. Oh, there goes Tess.
Let's see who gets it first. Oh, it looks like you win. Yeah, you get it.
Here. I know you can get over there, but...
I'm gonna use this to embarrass you guys when you guys grow up.
Yes. Right. Poor kids. Our parents didn't videotape us this much. It's probably not even called videotape anymore. It's not. We're old, okay?
I don't have any when I was a baby. My little sister had a little.
Look at him go.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Use Tess. She's solid.
Is she like a pillow?
She's not going anywhere.
You like to lean on these pillows. That's like a pillow, huh? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You're not a pillow. Oh, okay, okay. I'm sorry. Oh yeah. Oh, you want more music? Is she tired?
Yeah, just look. She looked up almost.
Oh. Oh yeah. And you're awake now, wide awake now, huh?
Way to go, guys. Way to go.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, nap time. Okay, nap time.
Here.
Okay.
It's okay.
You want to tell Tess not to cry? Don't cry, baby Tess. Don't cry. Don't cry, baby Tess.
What do you want to do?
Don't cry. Oh, she's tired. She's tired.
It's okay. Want to go to sleep? What do you think about her? What do you think about her? That was so funny when he was talking to her. Why are you playing hard to get? You didn't talk to him. What do you want to do?
Oh, she's
You
sleeping.
need to take a nap. Honey. Alright. You want to get in your seat? Should we go home?
Oh.
Aww. You done playing?
Oh, Tess is done playing, baby. You slept too much.
No,
You slept for too long.
Honey, you don't want that. You don't want that. Honey. What?
Oh.
Honey. Alright, maybe we should go home.
Okay. Bye-bye, Tess.
Sorry, it was so short. We'll have to play again. You're so cute and tiny. I can't believe Tess was ever that tiny.
But we're gonna wear jeans. We're gonna wear jeans today. We didn't even get to wear our jeans. Oh, okay.
You're okay.
It's okay.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, poor baby.
Get in your seat.
Oh, poor baby. It's just like, what's going on? You were like that earlier, Elliot.
Oh.
You were crying even louder. Did you know that? Yeah, you were. Yes, you were. You were crying so loud.
Okay. It's me getting rid of her outfit. I think she's gonna, you know how like babies have like a light? And you're like, she's gonna do that. She does it like a little bit and stuff. You're tired. You're crying. You're crying. You're just tired. You're also better when you fall asleep. Oh, now she's mad. You don't want to be in here? You're okay.
You wanna go say bye-bye to Tess? Yeah, you go say bye-bye to Tess.